I literally feel like I have been messing with this wig all day long because I ended up doing this wig, had to go to brunch, had to run some errands, then came back. By that time, yeah, my baby hairs or whatever was all over the place. So welcome back to the channel. So today we have another wig review. Yay! So we have a wig that comes to us from Sam's Beauty, and the wig, it is really pretty, you guys. Like, yes. So it's a 4x4. I love 4x4s because they are super easy. Anybody can style them. You can throw them on and go, and you still get a little bit of lace, and you don't have to worry about doing too much to the edges. So this one here is a 4x4. It's from FreeTress Equal, and I haven't had FreeTress Equal wig in so long. So okay, FreeTress Equal. So the name of it is Lacey, and I have it in 1B. Now I'm gonna warn you already. The wig is long. Don't run. It is nice and long. I hope everybody is doing well. Y'all know this wig did come to us from Sam's Beauty. They always send me gems. Shout out to them because they always send me gems. They send me things I wouldn't probably be looking at, but they're just gems. So look at that. It's just a nice wave, and it's almost like a deep wave, it says. Oh, this is the wig. It's pretty long. And you only get that 4x4, so you're only going to get lace right up in here, which is nice. You get enough to do to make it look very natural. So you also going to get some baby hairs. You get those baby hairs in there. Okay, so let's go ahead on and try her on. I literally feel like I have been messing with this wig all day long because I ended up doing this wig, had to go to brunch, had to run some errands, then came back. By that time, yeah, my baby hairs or whatever was all over the place. So the good thing is I can pretty much tell you guys about the wig and kind of give you maybe after wearing it for the day or whatever. I did lay my hairs back down a little bit and I did thin them out. So let's go ahead on and voila, take this off. So as I mentioned, this wig is a 4x4. So what's great about 4x4s is you get all the luxury of having a closure and having lace without having to deal with laying it down on the sides, which is the worst for me. I just really am not into laying these wigs down on the side a lot of times because I'm not faithful to the wig. And that's like me, that's not too faithful to these wigs, then you're gonna love a 4x4. Now, although I said that, and I feel like the wig is easy to put on, the wig is easy to style, I will tell you guys I do have cons when it comes to this wig. Number one, the wig is long. That's not a con for me, but maybe a con for you. It's really long. I mean, she long. I mean, long. And I can't even tell you how long. Because it's so long, obviously you're going to get some tangles. As you guys can see, it's going to tangle a little bit. Next thing I had with this was shedding. I had a lot of shedding with this. I started using this, which I needed to stop, so I stopped using it, and I started using just a paddle brush just to go through it. I had to put a little water on there, and I had to use my trick and put a little bit of baby oil on my hands and kind of like, you know, make the fibers lay down because, like I said, it is synthetic. So, you know, there you go with that. Else, I think that it's a pro. I like the length on here. I love the density. I think that the density is really nice. It's thick, but it's not too thick. It definitely has a little bit of weight to it, so it does give that bundles look. So I do like that. The next thing is obviously the parting area. You can part it in the middle. You can part it on the left or the right. You can kind of cock it a little bit if you want to get more lace on one side versus the other. So that's easy. Baby hairs, you get a lot of them. I went in, as you saw, pluck and thin them out. You can use them, you cannot use them. It's just pretty much up to you. I'm going to give you guys a close-up of what I did. And to blend in more, you can just use a little bit of powder to blend it in more. The lace tint, this does come a little bit dark, but it's not too dark. I think that, you know, it's something you can work with. The good thing about it is you don't have to put any spray on it. At least I didn't, so I'm always grateful for that. It's hard sometimes finding the perfect blend, and then you get the HD lace and you have a cast, so I didn't have that with. As far as the wave pattern, that can be a pro or a con. You don't get much wave up here. You get all the wave kind of to the bottom, so you know, that is what it is. I feel like this is an occasion wig. I feel like this is like taking pictures. This is, you know, going out for your birthday. This is going out on the town. This is, you know, just maybe like a date night wig, something like that. I don't feel it's an everyday wig. I feel like if you were to wear it every day, you're probably going to have to like maybe put it in like a French braid or something like that. You can try, after you put it in French braid, like put it in a little bun or something, or maybe 2 ponytails and a braid, something like that, because it is pretty long. I am going to give you guys a 360 knee back up. I literally just have on shorts and a shirt, and it is way down on my butt. This is all the hair to the front. Again, waist all the way to my waist. It's pretty long, whatever. Otherwise, she's really pretty. If you're looking for inches, that's affordable, because I think this is under $45, if I'm not mistaken. Something that you can, you know, pull out, wear her for the day or the night, and then put her away. She will give you that look. She's going to give you that bundles look. Like it. Thanks again to Sam's Beauty for sending a wig over. You guys let me know, is this something you would pick up? Is this something you like? You know, because in the 1B it's really, really pretty. I'm not sure of any other colors, and I have not seen any reviews on this wig as of today. So I will go search for them after my review, because I'm always interested to see what other people have to say. So if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, what you waiting for, sis? What you waiting for, bruh? Y'all go ahead on and subscribe to the channel. Thanks again to Sam's Beauty for sending the wig over. Thanks for my returning subscribers. I appreciate you guys. If you guys decide to share this video or any of my videos, you guys know the deal. Don't forget to tag me in Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok. The name is Beauty by Mark. I will see you ladies and gentlemen in my next video. Bye.